Hey guys, Tank here. There's something on Facebook right now going around on the Axial web page, actually, not web page, but Facebook page, that Axial is actually coming out with a new truck tomorrow. That's when they're going to release it. They actually posted a picture yesterday with with just some headlights. So some people were thinking it was actually just one car, but here's a picture. Uh, but actually, it's actually two cars. You can actually see a little bit of some lights on top and so on. So uh, they, they they probably not their light buckets. I know that for a fact, and I'll show you that in a bit. But some people were saying it's a DeLorean. Some people are just like crazy the way they're saying it. But like some other people are just like to me trashing Axial. They're saying it better be something that can actually finally up the game to be at the same level as Traxxas and Red Cat. Oh, they're pretty good, but he was mentioning further in the comments that he wants two-speed transmission. He wants lockable axle. He wants a whole bunch of like all the option that Traxxas actually gives him. That's not what Axial is or does. They're in a different kind of game, which I like. It's completely different. But if I go to the picture and actually show you and actually zoom in, you can actually see here there's little tiny dots. So I believe those are light buckets. And I know that it is two different cars because the most recent picture they've actually taken is this one. So this one is the picture for tomorrow. Now there's something very interesting with this picture. If you zoom into it, you can clearly tell that it is not something that's going to be a wide body. In other words, no tire tuck. Doubtful that it is a big truck either, because if I look at the rocks, the size of the rocks and things like that, so I'm thinking this is more of this 1/16 scale, like the Mini Yeti. And also I'm thinking it's a new style of the side-by-side because it does kind of have a cage in the shadow that you look on the bottom. Darn, my picture's no way. If you look here, it does have a cage, and you can actually see here on top it has kind of some light buckets. Also, you can see the tires, the axles are pretty, for the tire size, the axle width are not that wide. So I do not think this is a 1/10. I think this is a 1/16. We'll know tomorrow. But I think it's a new kind of truck because when you look at here, there's the light bar again on top. Maybe it's a different Polaris or different versions of it, but I think it is a 1/16th scale uh, truck from them. So we'll find out tomorrow, and that's going to give us something to talk about on RC Talk, that's for sure. So, guys, don't forget Thursday night at 9:30. I usually host RC Talk. We get together, we talk. You can actually jump in and talk about RC Talk. I was pointing that way, but it's actually that way. Everything is reverse on my camera. It's kind of weird. So guys, let's see if I'm right for tomorrow, and hopefully I am. And hope you enjoyed this quick little video of what people are saying. But I just think people are just nasty. A lot of people, a lot of comments you're watching on there. It better be portal axle. It better be this. It better be that. It's been so long they haven't came out with a new truck. They're uh, sucking that platform dry. Probably they are, but they are coming out with some new stuff. The Unimog was kind of cool. I like the wheels, but a lot of people are saying coming out with a new set of wheels and the same platform is not something new. Well, I beg to differ. It is because somebody hadn't come out with it before, so it is new. And not all Unimog actually have portal axles. Some of them don't. Some of them do, but some of them don't. So to me, Axial is a platform that you can buy something basic and actually grow with it and actually evolve and make it your own, make it your own stuff, and put your own tires on it, put your own rims on it. It's it's just a fun platform to play with. So guys, let's see tomorrow what Axial has in for us. Thanks. Talk to you guys later. Bye.